Have no credit? Are you looking for a way to establish credit but you have no credit at all? Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about what you can do if you have no credit so that we can get you to go from having no credit at all to being able to be on your way to establishing a good credit history. This is actually really simple. This is exactly what I did to help build and rebuild my credit score. So be sure to watch the entire video because this information that you're about to receive is pretty straightforward and simple. But before we get started, I have a quick. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. We also talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn how the FICO score is comprised so that you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so if you have no credit and you're looking for a way to establish credit, because let's face it, we all need credit to have access to certain things, such as a car, a cell phone, a new home, a home loan, a personal loan, or even in some cases, getting a job. So having no credit would totally cramp your style in regards to having access to some of the things I just mentioned. If you have no credit at all and you're looking for a way to build or even rebuild your credit, a secured credit card can help you do just that. A secured credit card is just like a regular credit card, except it works this way. Whatever you deposit with the bank will be your credit limit. So for example, if you had a Citibank card or a Discover card or both, if you wanted a secured card with one of those banks, you would absolutely have to secure the card by depositing a certain amount of money in that account with that bank. So between those two accounts, the Citibank and the Discover card account, you would actually deposit anywhere from $200 up to $2,500. And so whatever you deposit will be your actual credit limit. So if you wanted a higher credit limit, you would simply just deposit more money. For example, when I got started with one of my secured cards, I deposited $1,200 initially, and then I went ahead and deposited another $1,300, and that was actually with Discover card. So that's pretty much how a secured card works. But there are a lot of secure cards out there, and there are certain things that you need to be aware of or at least consider before getting a secured card. I currently have 3 secured cards, and even though I don't need it, I like to use secured cards because in a way, I'm guaranteed approval for that credit card, and I absolutely can control my credit limit. I'll be sure to put a link at the end of this video so you can check out my video in regards to 3 of what I believe to be the best secured cards that are available right now. I'll put that link at the end of this video. Okay, so if you have no credit and you're considering getting a secured credit card, the first thing that you should consider is, does this secured card report to the 3 credit bureaus? That's Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. The reason why you need to know this is because if they do not report to the 3 credit bureaus, then you're not currently building credit, and that would defeat the purpose of trying to get credit established. So that would be the first thing that you would need to know in regards to the secured credit card. Do they report to the 3 credit bureaus? The next thing that you need to know in regards to getting a secured credit card is, does it have an annual fee? There are some secured credit cards out there such as Citibank and Discover card that does not have an annual fee. And then there is one such as Capital One. Capital One does have an annual fee, and you actually it doesn't have an annual fee. Actually, it has just a deposit that you pay, but it works differently. You either pay $49, $99, or $200, and that is your deposit, and your credit limit will actually be $200 no matter what you deposit. So if you deposit 49 bucks, your credit limit is going to be 200 bucks. So the Capital One works a little bit different. I guess it's more user friendly for people that may not have a lot of money up front to shell out, like $1,000 to have $1,000 just sitting in the bank with Discover card or sitting in the bank with Citibank. So the Capital One card is a pretty decent option. Like I said, it's only $49, $99, or $200. And initially your credit limit will be $200. It doesn't matter what the deposit amount is, your credit limit is still going to be $200. And the Capital One's pretty cool because you actually get a credit limit increase after 5 months of making your payments on time. So the second thing, like I said, you want to know in regards to getting a secured credit card is, does it have an annual fee? So just do your research. And like I said, I have a video at the end of this video that you can check out in regards to what I believe to be 3 of the best secured credit cards available right now. The last thing to consider if you have no credit but you're interested in getting a secured credit card, I had to include this on the list because I'm a nerd, is does that secured credit card offer any kind of cashback or reward program? And the reason why I say that is because I'm totally a nerd. I mean, it's not something that you need, because the purpose of getting the secured credit card is just to establish credit and start to build good payment history, because you have no credit history at the moment. So that's the purpose. However, if you want to nerd it out like me and actually get a secured card that actually has some cashback benefits, for example, the Discover It card, the Discover It secured card actually offers cash back, and they match all the cash back that you earn in your first year. I also have a video talking about the cash back that I've earned with Discover card, and so I'll be sure to link that video in this video at the end of this video so you can have a look at both of those videos. I encourage you to do so. Once again, our channel is all about how to build credit, how to get cash back from using credit cards. We also do credit card reviews, but most importantly, we talk about everything that you need to know in regards to credit, whether you're trying to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or even learn more about the FICO score and how it's comprised so that you can increase your credit score. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I'll answer the questions as soon as I see them. Thanks again for watching. Share this video with somebody if you think it may be helpful to them. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.